Oh my God. This apple was awesome. It was like candy. It's the best apple I've had in a long, long time. I don't go shopping much, and I don't really buy healthy food very much. It's terrible to admit, but I just, I need to build a root cellar, and I need to have somebody in charge of the food other than me. Because I'll just, not give a fuck and stuff, and still not die. So, everything is pretty shitty system, really. I'll try and save the seeds on this, but the truth is, I am a bad person at following my own suggestions of being a seed germinator. You should be. Somehow that sounds nasty. I'm a seed germinator. Anyway, people can germinate seeds as a hobby and make all kinds of trees and plants and stuff, but each one takes time and attention. And I think doing it at the smallest scale is a really good thing to really get really good at. Because, of course, we can do things at an industrial scale, but anytime it's out of our own homes almost, certainly out of our own neighbor's home, in other words, a bunch of fuckers should do it, all right? Just a suggestion. I mean, to try and tell people what to do. But if everyone would save seeds and was making trees of all kinds as a hobby, if you have some space, or the truth is you don't need much space, and this is it's a fucking kids thing, man. Kids can learn how to do this. This is great. Fuck everything. How come I cannot goddamn make myself decent food that I like, ever? It's because I'm too lazy. What a fuck. Well, at least I have food. I have some eggs. I think I would love to raise chickens again. I did such a good job with chickens, and then I also was a total failure, I guess. I think that's just how it goes. Fuck. Why is... Okay, that's off. Everything's off. Fucking great. So, I can be an example. I can give you an example video. In fact, I'm going to break this video because I want to talk about something more specific. I want to talk about what it's like to live on a fucked up, stupid ass power system. By using myself as an example. It's pretty dumb.